friends, welcome to youtube.com oblique Dr. Vet channel. I am Dr. P.R. Patel, Professor Head Veterinary Medicine. In this presentation, we will discuss very important disease of horses, paralytic myoglobinuria. Very important metabolic disease of horses. In part 1, we will discuss synonyms, definition, etiology, and epidemiological aspect. Paralytic myoglobinuria in equines, a horse family. We will see first the synonyms. Important synonym is azoturia. There is increased amount of nitrogenous material and mostly urea in urine. So it is called as azoturia. It is also known as paralytic myoglobinuria. Here, myoglobinuria, appearance of myoglobin in urine, red colored or coffee colored urine, and paralytic. There is a paralysis of muscles because of muscle degeneration. So, paralytic myoglobinuria. Also called as paralytic hemoglobinuria. Actually, hemoglobinuria is not there, myoglobinuria occurs. And same paralysis of the hind limbs because of muscle degeneration and myositis. Important name is Monday morning sickness because this disease is mostly observed on Monday. When there's Sunday, the horse get rest, and when they are on rest, they are on full ration with the carbohydrate. How this occurs on Monday, that we can see later on. Continue with the synonyms. It is also called simply tying up or tying up myositis. It is also called as cording up. In this disease, there is muscle degeneration, myositis, especially of hind limbs, gluteal muscles. Muscle become firm. There is a painful muscle over the loin and croup. The muscle becomes shortened. Muscle becomes stiff, and there is stiff right behind, especially lumbar and gluteal regions. So everything is tight. So it is tying up or cording. It is also called as black water because the myoglobin appear into the urine, myoglobinuria, and urine looks a coffee colored or black colored. So it is a black water. Exertional rhabdomyolysis, in short it is ER, it is a technical term. Word exertional means severe exercise. Rhabdomyolysis means it is a necrosis of striated skeletal muscles. So here myopathies occur due to necrosis of striated skeletal muscle associated with severe exercise. So it is a exertional rhabdomyolysis. Here we deal with the definition of paralytic myoglobinuria or hemoglobinuria. It is a disease of horses or equine family. Disease occur during exercise or when the horse is taken severe work. When after a period of inactivity of 1 or 2 days or even more. What will happen during period of inactivity? That we will discuss in pathogenesis. And during the period of inactivity, the horse is given full ration grain or carbohydrate. And how this carbohydrate causes disease? We'll see later on. And the disease is characterized by myoglobinuria, appearance of myoglobin in urine, severe muscular degeneration. So the horse expressed the signs of myopathies and myositis. How this occurs and what occurs, that we will see in pathogenesis and clinical findings. So Monday morning sickness. On Monday, there is initiation of exercise. On Sunday, there is holiday. During holiday, horse is given food ration and especially grain, carbohydrate. So carbohydrate is converted into glycogen and stored in muscles during Sunday. And on Monday, when exercise is given, that glucose or galactose is converted into lactic acid. So how it occurs, we see in the pathogenesis. In etiology, we have seen what is seen in the definition, the same thing. Disease occur during exercise or when returned to the work. After a period of inactivity for a day, especially on Sunday. Sunday there is holiday, no work, or even more days when there is injuries or sickness to the horse, rest for more days. And during holidays, the horse is given a full grain ration, a full quantity of very good grain and carbohydrate diet. We see detail what will happen when during the period of rest carbohydrate is given and how the disease occur on Monday. So it is called as Monday morning sickness. The pathogenesis we learn a lot for the development of disease. We are seeing detail of the etiology. Large stores of glycogen are laid down in muscles during a period of idleness. Because during the period of idleness, we are giving full grain ration carbohydrate. Now, when the exercise is taken on Monday or immediately after a period of inactivity, the glycogen is rapidly metabolized into the lactic acid. Remember lactic acid. Lactic acid is an acid, it is dangerous. How it is dangerous? We see in the pathogenesis. So in pathogenesis, many things are clear. So as a clinician, please listen to the pathogenesis. In pathogenesis, I have mentioned everything in detail. Other causes suggested are nutritional deficiency of vitamin E and selenium has also been suggested as a cause that causes the muscle degeneration and cause the white muscle disease, especially in cow and even horses also. Vitamin E and selenium are the antioxidants. It is good for the health of the muscle. Deficiency causes the muscle degeneration. A rare cause is enzymic defects, but it occurs in individual horse. It is not a very important cause. We see here the epidemiology of the paralytic myoglobinuria. Generally, sporadic cases of this disease occur. These cases are not occurring in the form of outbreaks, and particularly in race horses, because in the race horses, the horse are meant for running very fast, severe exercise, especially fed heavily on grains. There is a history of complete inactivity for a 1 day or 2 day or even more days and immediately preceding the onset of the disease occur during exercise. We continue the epidemiology. Draft horses, they are made for hard work. And when the draft horses on the rest also suffer because of minor injuries or sickness, they are on rest, and during rest time they are maintained on full work ration. And when an exercise is given or when they are taken back to the work, they show the signs of paralytic myoglobinuria. Healthy horses are more affected because in the healthy horses there are massive muscles. Massive muscles contain more glycogen, so they are more susceptible. Mycotoxin is also suggested as a predisposing factor, but it is not a very common cause. It is a rare cause. Friends, paralytic myoglobinuria, azoturia is a very important disease of equines. It is a very important for the horse practitioners or those who are at the clinics. So please share this information to veterinarians and to promote the channel. Please subscribe the channel. Thank you very much for observing this video.